Assalamu alaikum buddy, welcome to my channel. My name is Akif Shiraj. Today I will tell you about Austria Biocenter Summer School that will be held in 2022. So this is a Vienna, actually the Vienna is the capital of Austria. Vienna Biocenter Summer School 2022. That is a fully funded program. The next application will open for the Vienna Biocenter Summer School 2022. This is a fully funded program for the undergraduate and master students to spend their 3 months in Vienna. Approximately 30 students will participate in this summer school from all over the world. No application fee required. So there was like 30 participants from all over the world for this internship program. All the international applications from students BA honors, master MSc from all around the world who are undergraduate master students and have completed at least 2 years of university studies. This program will start on the program starts Wednesday 1st July and ends on the 31st August. All the expenses will be covered by the Australian government. You don't need to give any IELTS TOEFL exam for this international summer school. The VBC stands for Vienna Biocenter. VBC summer school will cover accommodation, travel expenses and stipend during the program duration. Details about Vienna Biocenter Summer School. The country is Vienna, Austria. The city hosts this internship program is Vienna. Duration is 9 weeks and financial coverage is fully funded. Deadline is 31st January 2022. The benefits of this internship are the Vienna Summer School is a fully funded, all expenses covered summer school. Free student accommodation. Each student will be awarded a stipend of €1,400 after tax for the 9-week program. Medical insurance is included in the contract for the 9 weeks. A free travel pass providing unlimited use of public transport within Vienna for the duration of the scholarship program and reimbursement of travel costs to and from Vienna. Numerous social events. This is a good opportunity. Eligibility criteria. All international students with any nationality can apply for this internship program. Completed at least 2 years of a university study. For example, 2 to 3 years of a bachelor study or 1 year of a master's study by 30 June as follow. In year 3 of a 4-year BA honors program or BSc honors in the life sciences related fields, and in 4-year BA honors or BSc honors in a life sciences related subject with an acceptance or intention to apply to a master program, this will be checked later. And in 1 year of a 2-year master's course, MSc in a life science related subject, 3 month research experience is required, good academic record, and high level of English language. So you must be fluent in your English proficiency. Evidence of enrollment in the university program for the current academic year and the next year if possible. So you have to provide an evidence that you are enrolled in university. We encourage application from students BA honors, master, MSc from all around the world who are undergraduate master students and have completed at least 2 years of university study. And the selection successful application will be notified in the first week of March 2022. The deadline is 31st January 2022. So you must have to put a reminder on mobile phone to apply for this internship program in Austria. How to apply? So visit the official websites. So here the main headache, students don't get the link where they have to apply. So I will tell you, don't worry. So first of all you have to go here. After that for master and summer program and summer school. After that how to apply. So after that you have to click on here. After that you have to click here to apply. So this is the initial form. The first step requires you to complete some initial task. Then you will receive an email giving you access to upload more personal information. Enter your data here to sign up for this selection. Your first name Muhammad, last name Shahzad, and your email address, your Skype username, your middle name, mail, and your date of birth. So putting after your date of birth, place of birth is Pakistan, so nationality is also Pakistan. So which of those areas are you presently studying? So you can select from here. So engineering, I study engineering. What degree you studying at this area? So you have to select from here. Either you are in PhD degree, master or BA program. After that, do you have more than 3 months of research experience? Yes, I have more than. So your street address, your postal code, your city, your country. Will this be address at the time of your summer school? Yes, of course. And how did you first hear about the VBC summer school? Word of mouth, social media, job, poster. So you can select web internet. As I heard from web internet, and from where? Google Ads, internet search engine, or Google Ads. So data protection statement. Yes. Yes, after that you have to, after saving that your data was successfully stored up our database, you will soon receive an email giving you access to upload more personal information. If you do not receive it within some minutes, please check your spam folder. Your data was stored in ID 501653. So address here, yes. Yes, now you have to put all your documents here. And as you see that, they will definitely send you an email, and you have to open that email, and you have to open that link. So after opening it, you may modify your data and submit your complete application until that you have 31st January is the last date of the 2022. And click here to edit your data, so you can edit your data from here. So actually my main purpose is to understand you, and you have to and give you a path where you can apply for this internship, because many students complain that they even don't know how they apply. So that's why the purpose of making these videos is that you can understand that how we can apply for all these internships, scholarship and exchange program. So now it's all about you, how you apply. I give you a way in which you can apply easily. So these all the information eligibility check. First of all, education, you have to put all the information. You are after putting your data set, you have to upload your documents and PDF summary. After that, submit the application. Your documents here. So add document, you can upload your all documents here. Okay. After putting all documents, you have to put here your PDF summary. After that you have to simply submit your application. So this is said that you have not entered all your data completely. Please go to your data set tab to complete the form. Be aware of that some fields are mandatory, and some have minimum maximum constraint for the number of words. See that status is incomplete. When you put all your information, the status will be completed, and you have not uploaded any document, because I have not uploaded any documents. He's saying the truth, so you have to upload your documents. After that, he will show you status completed. So simply, this is a simply process. You have to upload your data set, you have documents and your PDF summary, and after that you have to simply submit it. In this way, you can apply for Vienna Biocenter that will be held in Austria 2022. So thank you so much, guys, watching this video. Please spread this knowledge in your friend circle, and apply for this scholarship and apply for this internship if you are eligible for this internship program. So don't waste any single opportunity to explore the world. Thank you so much, guys.